Bro, I put the wrong mic. I was recording with the wrong mic. So I'm over here talking to something that's not even picking up my voice. And yeah, okay. So I got a red day today. I misread the market for sure. Again, I knew I was in dead man's land, so I was already saying like I need to play the inside. So we already got our levels set from yesterday. It was the lows from last night, and then the lows for this morning was happening right as I was charting. So it was playing in a very tight range, actually. And I was like looking to see if it can't get over the resistances from the morning. I was gonna do a short to see if we break down under, and then I take that short. Take that short. I was in the money for a little bit, 10 points. And then we get this big green candle coming up right after. So I was like, okay, so maybe we might be having to buy now. So I switched to buy because it broke over the pre-market level. And I was switching up to buy it. It's like, okay, we might have some momentum. But then I get shaken out by that candle. I get shaken out. I should have been a little patient. I went a little too big size right there because I thought we had the breakout. And I didn't want to get max loss. If I hit my stop loss, I get max loss. So I was like, maybe I just re-enter again. And then I'm already frustrated. So we see the scoop. I take it. And then it fails again. It looks really promising here. It hits that. I added, thinking that we're going to get over. See if we can get over. Since my candle broke over the volume point of control. And I thought that was going to be a significant move. And then it fades back on me again. And now and then I got stopped out for max loss. Because I was adding to my winners. I was going to stay small size. But then as I saw it was moving to my favor, I was like, I'll just take it. And now it's just like, it's reacting to where I got liquidated. And now look at where it's at now. I was kind of mad, not going to lie. I wish I recorded. Stay recording. Oh, it's just playing inside still. It's just nothing, dude. It's like these are days when I have to figure out when I shouldn't be trading. Because we're in no man's land. We're after a big move. After a big move, you're going to see some inside moves for a few days. And I have it written down on my journal over here. It's just hard to recognize it when it's happening because sometimes the move you fall into the momentum move, but the momentum move is not the real move. And then the reason why I was fully committed to it because the Nasdaq went to all-time highs, not all-time highs, but the Nasdaq shot up pretty hard, and from here to here, and I was like, maybe this is the move where they're all gonna like go together. So I just go in and took that bet, and now it sucks because now I'm down 400. I'm probably gonna be red for the week. I might be red for the week if I don't do good tomorrow, and I might not. But at the same time, I'm kind of glad I'm done trading because I do need to get some stuff done. But like right now, I could tell when I'm in no man's land, I'm in survival mode, and I can't be taking big hits like this in survival mode until we start consolidating near like a key level for either a push up or a breakdown. But breakdowns are harder for me to identify. So this was unfortunate. And it could still keep climbing up. It's just one of those. It's no man's land, bro. The movers are slow. Anything can happen. You're more range bound. This is not a fun environment to trade in. And I think a lot of traders are having a wishy-washy week this week. Just from like reading forums and stuff. Yeah, I don't know. This is actually really discouraging. I feel like I might have to take a break because like if you keep stringing together losses like this and then you start to question yourself, it starts to get when the right move comes, you're not going to be ready for it. So I have to prepare myself for the right move and not get blown out. There was definitely no setups for me here. I was just trying to do price action trading. I was just trying to say, if we break over here, we go long. If we break under here, we go short. But because we're in dead man's land, those moves are short lived. So I don't know how I need to adjust that a little bit better. I think for days like no man's land, if I go ahead and identify no man's land, I just need to go for 50 points, 30 to 50 point wins. Because my big 100 point wins, they're really hard to achieve in this environment because you're gonna get a lot of pullbacks. You can get a lot of fucking pullbacks. So you want to clean even from here, from 400 to 500. Like say you got this one, 430 to 530. Yeah, that was a good trade, but like the pullback was just so intense. I prefer clean moves like that. Because when you see a pullback like that, sometimes it can just pull back all the way under and you're gonna lose. But this move from here to here was a good one, and I had it. Yeah, I had a couple good moves, and now look, it's not doing shit. It's not doing shit.